Hello everyone, this is Priyank Maheshwari from India. We have developed an application that is SanApp. SanApp is a Windows-based desktop application for Windows devices like Windows 8 tablets. SanApp is an effort towards automating and removing sanitation problem worldwide. Before starting with our application, let me tell you why we have developed this application. Here is a statement, nearly 40% of the world population, that's 2.4 billion, has no access to hygienic means of personal sanitation. Globally, WHO estimates that 1.8 billion people die each year from the diarrhea disease, 200 million people are infected with the schistosomatitis, and more than 1 billion people suffer from soil-transmitted health infection. A special session on the children of United Nations General Assembly reported that nearly 5,500 children die every day from the disease caused by contaminated food and water. So from this, it seems that sanitation is one of the biggest problems of this world. As we can also see in this picture, this is the real-time picture from which we can see that the common man is suffering from the sanitation badly. So we have developed this application to remove this problem. Now let's start with our application. SanApp basically consists of these four different types of layer. That is the user layer, database layer, admin layer, and end layer. In the user layer, the user can log their complaints through Windows app, that is Windows tablets or Windows phone or Windows desktop application. And the database layer, the incoming request from the user will stored at this central database server. Now here is the admin layer from the database layer. The data, the incoming request will route to the admin of the different departments like it's a garbage department, sewage department, all cleaning, and water leakage, etc. From the admin layer, it will assign to a particular person who will be responsible for the fulfillment of the task. Now let's start with the actual implementation of this application. Here is a SanApp user complaint. The user can use this application to log their complaints. For the first time, user needs to give the below details. For example, Priyank Maheshwari. Now the email ID, the password, and the address. That is 10 Gokul. Pune, India. Now the user clicks on the new complaint button. Here the user needs to select the category. For example, if user want to log a complaint, so the complaint resides in which category. If it is in sewage, water, garbage, toilet, open defecation, sewer leakage, water by anything. For example, we are taking as garbage. The user needs to give their mobile number, and the user has also facility to upload the real-time image also for the area which is suffering from the sanitation. User can also give the description, for example, do it on priority. User can also assign by assigning the number of stars the severity of this complaint. Then now the user clicks on the submit request button. The request submitted to the central municipality database server at this. So this is what the user needs to do at the user end. Now when the request as soon as the request submitted to the central database server, one message will trigger to the admin of the concerned area on their mobile. Now the admin will open the application, that is SanApp admin side application. This is the application on the admin side where the admin will log in with their credentials, .com, password. Now the admin will log in with their credentials here. The admin can view the user's incoming complaint, add or edit complaints, or graphical analysis. For example, we are seeing that view user complaints. Here admin will select any of the category. For example, it's garbage. So these are the new incoming requests which admin has fetched from the central database server. For example, now we are pointing to any of this request and we click on this assign complaint. So this is the responsibility of the admin to assign this particular incoming request from the user to the person of concerned authority for the fulfillment. Now here the assignee of this request is Krishnakant Raman. Here also the image that is uploaded by the client, by the request, by the user, the requested location. We can find the requested location by using the Google API, and the latitudes and the longitudes, the address of the user. Admin will click on the send assignee button, so it will assign to the person, and who will after fulfillment of the task he will report back to the admin. Apart from this, admin is also can edit or add the complaints if it required. So this is what the same thing which the user needs to do can also be done at the admin side also. Apart from this, here is the graphical analysis. Admin can select any of the category. For example, we are selecting as a garbage, so it will show that that is a graphs in the form of bar chart in the pie chart of the recent incoming request in the recent time. So this SanApp basically acts upon like analyzing tool. So this is all about the sanitation application. So this is all from our side. Thank you, and any suggestion, if any, will be heartiest welcome. Thanks a lot.